Imagine you have a Linux setup. You load it up, it looks cool, you feel happy about it. You invested time on installation, configuration, visuals. You're actually insane, you haven't gone outside and touched grass for a whole month. Now, what if I say, it's all gone? Your disk got corrupted, bad ending. That's actually what's happened to me. But try imagining this for a second. Not only you could save your weeks of effort, you could also make it reproducible on any machine you install it, just 5 minutes. I can definitely tell I'm surprised by how little people even thought there could be a solution, but they are. Meet Chezmoi. It's a tool that seamlessly saves all your configs on Git. How it works? First, you initialize and start adding a bunch of config files you have on your system. That's it. Once you want to make a change, you use the command chezmoi edit -- apply. You make changes, save it, and then it's applied over to your real config files stored in .config folder. There is a problem here. Do you see it? Every time you'd want to tweak your config, you'd have to use chezmoi edit command. That's the intended way. Here is the simpler one. Edit your config file like you usually do, hit save, and then just run re-add command whenever you feel like you're done tweaking configs. That's it. Now, you ask me why? Why this way in specific? Why not store? Why not Nix? No, my fellow store and Nix users, I will not fall to the likes of evil such as Symlinks. I will reject having pure and immutable, maybe dare to say virgin systems such as NixOS. I shall remain stoic in this unbalanced realm of indignity.
Hello guys. Today we have a list of top 5 pigeon. Número 1.
Chezmoi slays it with Git integration. You set it up and forget it.
Número 2. Pigeon Travel.
Imagine you want to create 2 different window borders on 2 machines. For this, create and edit Chezmoi config file. There, you would need to add a variable and its value. That file will only be stored locally on your computer. Once you've done that, type chezmoi chatter plus template and file name for which you created the variable. That will allow our shell config not only be shared, but used as a template. Then, chezmoi edit apply on it, replace the variable value with a template like this. Now, save all the changes and leave the editor. It should work. Check the original file. And like you can see, it's all there.
Número 3. Pigeonam.
You can have password manager integration as well, just so you know.
Honorable mention.
Yet another store-based dotfile system manager. Yes, BDS! Bro, what is this logo? Symlink-based .bs sim. Colorful CLI in the face. Taste the rainbow, motherfucker. Not gonna lie, I feel boomer energy in this one. Is Windows supported? Patience, my corporate slaves! That feature will be added soon, but as this is a Unix tool, it will only support WLS. Last update 2 years ago. Why not Chezmoi? Because I'm not a gopher, I'm an old school Unix head. Is this repo a joke? Yes, but it's also my daily driver for dot files. Feel free to use it. Or get used by it. Bro, I'm not even sure anymore if this shit is gonna make my computer hostage. Web server, master, slave 1, slave 2. And you know what's my daily driver for dot files? No, it's not this repo, it's dotdrop. You see, Chezmoi never mentions there is a way to manage multiple dotfile setups. So, if you were to make multiple configurations for a single rise, you'd get stuck. Dotdrop doesn't harbor this caveat. This is your whole setup. Here you have links between source and target directories, and here how you manage different setups. Yep, this simple. Let's try installing it.